What's your secret in consistently making good content, videos, MBA, etc.? Thank you. No, thanks for asking. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. So I do it from my heart. I do what I enjoy doing. And when you do what you love doing, you're incredibly productive with it. And for those of you who haven't found your passion in life yet, keep looking for it. And you'll know you find it. It's like true love. You'll know you find it because you'll wake up one morning and say, I'm not going to work. I'm doing what I'm passionate about. And when you do what you love doing, you create a lot of content. And it's easy. It's kind of like when you're watching a basketball game or a sports match on television. Like these athletes, they don't go to work. They don't say, I have to get up and go to work today. They have a passion. They love doing what they're doing. And that's the trick. You got to find your passion in life, your purpose. And a lot of artists, they love what they do. Obviously, they paint. They just love it. For Michelangelo, Leonardo, and the other Ninja Turtles, they never had a job. They had a passion, and that's why they were so creative, so good at what they're doing. And so the reason that I'm able to create a lot of content is because I don't have a job. I have a passion. I love doing what I'm doing. And for those of you who haven't found your passion yet, keep looking for it. You'll know when you find it. It's like true love. You'll have this feeling deep down inside, this euphoric feeling almost all the time. And you'll forever be happy. It's kind of like when you hold your baby for the first time, but not as good. Holding a baby is more important. But you unlock this level of happiness you never thought you could have ever. Take a little bit of that and throw it into what I'm doing now, or what people do when they love doing what they're doing. It's this bizarre euphoria you feel that keeps you going, keeps you creating. It's fun. And the second you do it just for the money is the second that it sucks. Like for me, I started making this course a couple of years ago called the Complete Management Course. And I hated it because a lot of management techniques, it's qualitative stuff. You can't really apply it. I torched the whole damn thing. I took a flamethrower. I was done with it, right? Not a flamethrower, but you know what I'm getting at. Because it felt like I was doing it for the money and my heart wasn't into it. So you got to do what you love doing in life. And when you do, you'll be able to create. It's like an artist.